So if you have a GoPro and you're absolutely infuriated, like I was when I bought this 360 Max here, if you're absolutely pissed about their stupid proprietary mounting system, which makes 0 sense whatsoever, well, this video is for you. I was on a quest. So I bought this GoPro Max 360 because I wanted to do some virtual tours, and they're super cool. You should do virtual tours and whatnot. And I was on this quest to find the perfect tripod. I wanted to use just a light stand for the heck of it. But the thing is, light stands don't have these stupid proprietary connectors on them that GoPro has. So I modified one. And what I did was I took a drill, I drilled through it, popped the 1/4-20 through it, then a 1/4-20 to female 1/4-20 adapter underneath, and boom, I was able to mount it onto things. And that was a very annoying solution to that particular problem. So what I did is I went out and I got one of these. It's very basic. It's a GoPro to 1/4-20 inch adapter, and that's it. Because here's the thing. One thing every tripod, monopod, light stand, well, not every light stand, but you know, a lot of light stands have in common is they have these 1/4-20 things, just these 1/4-20 screws on them. And what that does for you is it allows every other camera on the planet Earth to attach to those tripods, except for GoPro, because they want to sell you incredibly overpriced garbage. I mean, some of it's decent build quality. I'm not going to say that they're making unbelievably cheap stuff that's going to break easily. I'm just saying that they tie you into an ecosystem that is absurdly expensive and very niche. Anyway, you should pick up one of these 1/4-20 to GoPro adapters on my GoPro right here, because here's the cool thing. This Lume Cube tripod, it's like $60 on Amazon, and it is awesome. And it has this super durable base. GoPro had their way, you wouldn't be able to use it at all. But with this 1/4-20 adapter, I can put the GoPro on it and good to go. Boom, GoPro right there in the shot. And yeah, pretty awesome. Please, before you buy any GoPro accessories, pick up this, because it opens the door for just an enormous amount of accessories that you could buy. Just a GoPro to 1/4-20 adapter. That's it. Buy a GoPro to 1/4-20 adapter if you own a GoPro. So I'll put an affiliate link in the description of this video so that you can pick one up for yourself. I'll earn like a percentage of the sale, and since the sale's so cheap, hopefully millions of you buy this product. They're so awesome. Anyway, talk to y'all later.